girls. Okay, so I'm coming at you guys today with a video. This is gonna be a really fun hands-on activity, and I hope you guys are excited, okay? So I assigned you guys a Flipgrid, and this assignment is an assignment. Like, everybody has to do it, and here's why. With the way that, oh, it looks like we have a halo over my head with that big light. Let me turn that off. With the way, don't laugh, boys and girls, I don't know the light switches in my house still. 4 years living in this house, and I still have to push every single light switch. All right, so with how I have to give grades, I also have to give you guys speaking and listening grades. And I need to know how you guys do talking and presenting stuff. And so we have our book report coming like in a month, in October. Like, I think it's what, October 24th or 25th that's due, but that's a long ways away. So I'm gonna also start coming up with some fun things where you guys get to make stuff and you guys get to make Flipgrids to present what you made. And that's the way I can hear and get to see you guys talking and presenting things. Okay, so today you guys have been assigned a video. Well, it's a Flipgrid, and it's called Ocean, the Plastic Ocean. And so you guys are gonna watch the video on Plastic Ocean, okay? And then you guys have an assignment. You guys need to watch the video, and as you're watching the video, take notes in your science journals on what you've learned in this video on Plastic Ocean, okay? So make sure you guys have your science journals out and you're taking notes on what you learned about plastic in the ocean. Plastic is really bad for the ocean. You're gonna learn that today, and you're gonna learn why. Then what I have decided to do is, for your guys' Flipgrid, I have assigned you guys and kind of like an art or a creative hands-on activity to go with this. What you guys are gonna need to do is you are gonna need to find recyclable materials in your house. Things that would be trash or go in the recycle bin. Like, I have this empty box of blueberry muffin things from Izzy. The grandparents brought them over donuts yesterday. I have this empty Dunkin' Donuts box that should go in the trash. Guys, I even have a throwaway mask that was used a while ago. A toilet paper roll where all the toilet paper is gone, or a paper towel roll. Izzy's plate that she used for breakfast this morning, my water bottle from yesterday. I have a box of Z-bars that are done from the girls' snacks. I have a plastic cup. All of this is trash that's either gonna end up in a dump somewhere, or it's gonna end up in the ocean, destroying our ocean life. Well, guess what? We are gonna reuse it today. We're gonna take the trash that you guys have around your house, and you guys are gonna need probably scissors, tape, glue sticks, markers, crayons, paint, whatever your parents say is okay for you to use. And what you guys are gonna do is you are gonna make a 3D model of anything you want from the ocean. I don't care if you make the ocean itself. I don't care if you take, like I do, I have this donut box, and I can make a whole ocean habitat. I don't care if you guys say, you know what, I'm gonna make just the plants in the ocean. I don't care if you say, you know what, I'm gonna make a shark, or I'm gonna make different fish. I'm gonna make a jellyfish, I'm gonna make an octopus. I don't care what you make, just make something 3D. 3D means it's not flat, it's not drawn on just a piece of paper, that's 2D. 3D is you are using recyclable materials. You're cutting, you're gluing, you're taping, you're painting, you're coloring, okay? And you're making something from the ocean. Anything, I don't care. You guys are gonna ask me, is it okay if I make a jellyfish? Yes, I don't care. If it belongs in the ocean, that is what you get to make. You can make anything you want that has to do with the ocean. Anything, okay? Don't ask me, can I? The only thing I'm gonna tell you no is you're gonna say, can I make a lion? No, because a lion doesn't belong in the ocean, okay? Anything that belongs naturally in the ocean, that lives in the ocean or is the ocean, anything ocean related, okay? I don't care if it's sharks, I don't care. Some of you are really into sharks. My Izzy would be totally into sharks, and she would want to make different types of sharks. Like, that would be what she would want to make. So, I don't care. Have fun with it though. This is a hands-on activity, have fun. When you guys are done, you are going to post a video on Flipgrid. okay? And you are going to tell us, I made, and you're gonna tell us whatever you made, you're gonna show it to your classmates. And you're gonna tell us what recyclable materials you used. You guys have 3 minutes to do your video. You're gonna say, I made a 3D model of the ocean. I used a donut box as my base. I used a paper plate and glued little plastic things on it to create a coral reef. I have over here a plastic bottle shark. Okay, I don't care, just tell us what materials you used and what you made. And also tell us in your video at some point, what did you learn from that video? Why is plastic bad for our ocean, okay? So try and take some notes and things that you learned, okay? Most importantly, boys and girls, 1, have fun doing this. Do we understand? Have fun. You guys have to have some hands-on things where you're getting to have fun. So have fun. Cut, glue, create. Let your imagination go wild, okay? Have fun. Second thing is yes, everybody has to post a video and show us what they made, because I'm going to be watching these videos and I'm going to be giving you a grade on this. This is worth a grade. This is an assignment on you being able to present what you made, okay? But have fun. And then guys, go and watch your friends' videos. Go see what all your other friends, go watch all their Flipgrid videos to see what your friends made. All right? Okay, I'm trying to find different ways where we can have more fun in virtual learning. And it is going to probably involve with us using trash and creating stuff, but we're gonna do it. All right, okay, boys and girls, happy Wednesday. Have fun creating. I will see you soon.